Parking deck number 3, the Lion parking deck. Our newest parking deck at Turtle Park Zoo. We have a pair of ThyssenKrupp elevations. Oh yay, this one's working. And this one has the new chime. Beautiful new logo too. P1. The doors on both of these elevators are very slow. Okay, the lights just turned on. Let's actually take one more ride on this one. Bye. This one probably has a little louder motor. Okay. Before we go back down, let's get a little view. Opened in 2019. This is the, I guess another entrance parking deck. Much more capacity that you can hold now. See with the entrance, the other parking deck can be seen from there, and the first one. The reptile buildings right there. Back there are the tanks, the touch tanks, the turtle recovery, and of course there's the railroad. Wait a minute. Sorry folks, I'm a train buff and I work here, so. What? Okay, this is going to be an interesting contest. One blue and the rest are red. What the heck? This is going to be an interesting contest tomorrow, folks. And as you know, I'm going to be working at the zoo again. So, ooh. I'll be posting a throwback zoo video tomorrow. Alright, let's go back down. And this one is still here. Yeah, this motor definitely growls. Okay, we'll send you up now, and we'll try to get the other one. Hopefully it's working. Well, you can't hear the growl out from out here. Ah, here's this one. This is the first one that I rode last year. Okay. The other one is louder. You know what, since we took 2 trips on the other one, let's give 2 trips on this one too. And the zoo's not even open yet, so we're plenty of time. why the doors are so slow on this one, but they're so fast on the entrance elevators. But hey, I'm not complaining. One. Interesting how these new elevators have a door hold, which just acts as the door open. Very smooth running for 2 elevators. Very good. These are probably the smoothest since they're brand new, but hey, I can't be biased, you know. Anyway, there they go. And that's it.